Hello family, friends, tastemakers, and posh partners. In today's video, I want to share with you some nice Victoria's Secret gift ideas. I got all of these items when it was this year, early this year, but when Victoria's Secret has their semi-annual sale or when they're doing a clearance, they have some beautiful items left behind and they're ready to liquidate them. So I'm going to use some of the equipment I'm going to use one of these racks here from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use a cosmetic bag. I'm going to need a bow. I need my other bow. And then some cello wrap right here. And here's one of the items that I think is so cute. This is a hat and scarf set from Victoria's Secret. Let's see, did I open this one yet? I don't know. Oh, I opened this one. So I'm gonna keep this one in the package, but I wanna show you what it is. It's a beautiful beanie. Beautifully, since I'm a knitter and a crocheter, the craftsmanship is beautiful, but that's made by a loom. And then a scarf set, and it has Victoria's Secret on there. Now recently I've seen this same set, probably the same person makes these all over. At Target you will see this same set, but Victoria's Secret put their logo on this stuff. I think it's like $20 at a Target, but when you get it on clearance it was way cheaper than that. I don't even think I paid $10 for both of these. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then another one comes in more of a pink and red. So I'm just gonna put it in here. Like if you're selling at a pop-up shop, you know, I like my stuff not to be overly handled. So in a pop-up shop, and so you can just kind of just put it in a rack like that. Wrap it up. You can take it out. Let me see what it looks like. Will probably look better. Take it, yeah, it's gonna look beautiful. So when they take the hat off, they'll still see that logo there. Just keep it like that. And then we're going to wrap. Not quite done with it yet, so I'm not going to totally wrap it. I just want you guys to see what you can do with these containers, with these items. Okay, so you can just do that, and then if you want, you can add some jewelry in there. Put a bow on that. Now, this is just for demonstration purposes, guys. Now, because Victoria's Secret has this type of lotion and body spray. I just can't dig it out right now in a red tone like this. This is Bath and Body Works. But you take your gift, instead of trying to put everything together, you have that. You can like make your own little vignette on a table. And you have your hat and scarf set. You have your body care items and some jewelry. You can have it separately. Let's see what it looks like if we put it all together. You can do it all together like that. Let's see what it looks like out of this bag here. That's cute. Get the Bath and Body Works, get the Victoria's Secret brand. Body mist, that makes a cute gift set. Okay, do the same thing with this one, the pink one. Okay, that's cute. See, you just came up with that on the fly. Once you get your items out and just start trying different ideas, you know, that's the way to do it. Okay, and then have another idea here, another concept. Take one of these, same type of rack, and one of these cosmetic bags. These are these sequin glitter bags. Got these on clearance. These were a really good deal. They're so beautiful in person, and it has the gold VS right there. And so I'm gonna open it up, place it in the rack there. And then this is Velvet Petals. Got all of this when the prices were good. These are still very good. Have the body mist. What is this called? Fragrance mist. Then we have the Velvet Petals Refreshing Gel Body Wash. Stick that in there. And then we have a shower puff. So that's a beautiful presentation. Okay. This isn't the best angle. Okay. Just wrap it on up. Just cello wrap. Get a good idea how professional that can look. You can just keep it like that. And put your bow anywhere you want it. And use these streamers as, ribbon. Alright, so that is idea number 2. Idea number 3 is always a hit. I'm going to use these cosmetic bags. Put your Velvet Petals lotion. Put my Velvet Petals body wash. And I'm just going to borrow this for now. And just stick this shower puff right in the middle there. That works, or if you want to have the entire set. Have the entire set there. And if you want, most of the time I'll put a smaller bow. You can accessorize it with a bow. That's cute, just like you would any other gift basket. I like the white posh bows, I mean the pull bows. So we have that idea. And this idea. Okay, guys, so I hope you got some inspiration. If you have some Victoria's Secret things, you're like, how can I coordinate them and just bring more value and include everything that the recipient likes. And if I'm having a pop-up shop, how will it pop on my shelves and everything? So these are some good ideas. And then everything's self-contained, and you can also have everything individual as well. And so you can use this. So they already have, you know, their cosmetic bag, everything all contained. So just wanted to share that with you and hope you got some ideas. And I'm so happy that you tuned in today, and hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. That'll help me go on another year with YouTube, and they'll, you know, won't kind of bury my content if they see that someone's interested. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye Mom. That's cute.